Hello everyone, Windows Server 2022 NIC theming configuration outline with prerequisites before you start. This is the server farm zone, where a Windows Server provides the services. The diagram shows two NICs in a Windows Server 2022 combined into a single NIC team, connected to a network switch. This setup provides higher bandwidth and link redundancy by acting as one logical interface. Ensure at least two physical or virtual NICs with matching speed/duplex settings and Windows NIC theming support. For VMs, confirm the hypervisor, for example, VMware, Hyper-V, supports theming. In Windows Server, check that there are two NICs available for theming. Open ServerManager. NIC theming combines multiple network adapters to increase bandwidth, provide redundancy for failover, and balance network traffic, ensuring better performance and reliability. Go to Local Server, then you show NIC theming are disabled. Now click Disable option, then opening the NIC theming details option. In the Teams tab, click the Tasks option to enable theming options. Now add a team name. After that, select physical NIC ports. Then click Additional Properties. Choose a theming mode, Switch Independent, No Switch Config Needed, LACP, Dynamic Negotiation, Recommended, or Static, Manual Switch Setup. Choose Load Balancing Mode, Dynamic, Recommended for best overall balance, Hyper-V port, for Hyper-V VMs, or address hash, based on source/destination addresses. In Standby Adapter you can select which NIC primary and other is secondary. Primary team interface are optional option if you need to configure VLAN, otherwise default is OK. In my scenarios we select address hash and click OK for save. Team configure done. Team interface getting send and receive data. Now go to Server NIC adapter option to check the failed issue. Both NIC is enable and connect to switch. In the NICs there are no details option because of those NIC are member of team groups. This is the team NIC IP details. In the server end to ping gateway for checking reachability and redundancy or failover for NICs. Now checking one by one down the physical interface and check the ping result for better understanding. One NIC down, then no ping loss. When other NIC also down, then team logical NIC also down and remove automatically. And ping also not reachable to gateway. When enable a NIC, then re-establish theme and getting ping to gateway. NIC theming in Windows Server 2022 is a powerful feature that enhances network performance and reliability by combining multiple network adapters into one logical interface. Whether for increased bandwidth or failover protection, it's an essential tool for modern server environments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share,